In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view QuickBooks invoices. Whether you're new to QuickBooks Online or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step so you can confidently access your invoices. First, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll notice a menu. This menu is your gateway to managing various aspects of your business finances. On this menu, you want to zero in on the section labeled Sales. Sales is your hub for all transaction-related activities and is the key to accessing your invoices. Go ahead and click on Sales to reveal a drop-down menu that presents you with more options. Included in this drop-down, you'll find an option specifically labeled Invoices. Clicking on Invoices will take you to the section you've been looking for. As you enter the Invoices section, you'll be met with a comprehensive list of all the invoices you've created and managed through QuickBooks. This list isn't just a simple record. It provides each invoice's status and detailed information, a handy tool for keeping thorough records. From here, you can scroll through the list to review past invoices or take a look at any pending ones that might need your attention. Each entry in this list will offer you specific details, such as the date the invoice was issued, the total amount, and relevant client information. This setup allows you to meticulously track all of your business transactions. Keeping a close eye on these details is crucial for maintaining a clear view of your financial standing and ensuring every transaction is accounted for properly. Congratulations! You've now successfully accessed your QuickBooks invoices with confidence and ease. Learning to navigate this section is not just straightforward, but also an invaluable skill for effectively managing your finances. Regularly checking your invoices ensures that you stay on top of your accounts and allows you to manage your business's cash flow seamlessly. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel more comfortable navigating QuickBooks for your invoicing needs. It's a powerful tool that, with a bit of practice, can greatly enhance your financial management skills. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials that will help you master the art of bookkeeping. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.